Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Dermasil Hand and Cuticle Cream. This is $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. It's 4 fluid ounces. It does have a light, clean scent, shea butter and coconut oil. This is a thick, creamy consistency. It does absorb quickly into the skin, and a little goes a long way with this cream. You don't need much. The light scent does linger on your hands. It's very moisturizing, and it leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. This is actually a very nice hand cream. Deep conditioning. This cream is fantastic. If you see this cream over any other cream at the Dollar Tree for your hands and cuticles, definitely pick this one up. It is top quality. 10 out of 10. I would repurchase this again. It's pretty amazing. I really enjoyed this hand cream and highly recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed the review, found it helpful, and maybe we'll try the product out for yourself. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links.